welcome back to my YouTube page. In today's video, I'm bringing you guys another unit. Now this unit did come from Loovoo store. I will leave the exact link down below in my description box. So this is a T-part wig. The color is 427. It's a straight human hair lace front, 13 by 4 by 4. No, actually it's 13 by 4 by 1. The length is 22 inches. So this is a nice ombre wig. I love how they mix the 4 and the 27 together. I never tried a color like this before, but I really like the tone of it. The hair is soft. First impression, the hair came in like a baggie. It was a pink baggie. It was really nice and soft. Now I'm going to do some testing on it to see if it curls well. So as you guys can see, like I said, this is a T-part, so you don't get that much lace by the ear tabs. You do get the T with the lace in the middle, so you really don't have to do too much to this wig. And this unit does come with 3 combs and adjustable straps. And like I said, this is how much you will get in the T-part wig. Now let's install her on my head. So I did want you guys to see this part. Now this is where the little lace that I do have on the sides look. I didn't want to pluck it because I feel like if I pluck it, I'll be plucking towards the track, which it's very close to the track. So I just left it how it was. And this is how the unit looks in the back without anything. I haven't put any product on the hair yet, so this is how it's looking. This is how it's flowing. Yeah. And this is how the lace looked before I do any plucking to it. And now I'm about to cut off the lace. So here I am plucking the lace, and you guys have to be extra careful when you pluck this lace because it's very thin. Just make sure you're holding the wig down when you're doing the plucking so you're not pulling too much on it. And this is how the parting looks after I've done the plucking. Using a little wax before I put my hot comb to the parting area. The wax helps lay down all the flyaways, and I'm also going to be using some spray to set it. Now this is how the unit looks. I didn't have to flat iron it. This is right out of the packet, guys. Only thing I did was sprayed my lace, my little T-part. So I am going to be using a little bit concealer to blend out the lace at the top, just a little to match with my skin tone. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Make sure you guys stay to the end so you can get my thoughts about this unit. So I'll talk to you soon, guys. Bye. enjoyed this video on this unit. I did add a little curls to it. I wanted it to be like a loose wave. I didn't want the curls to be too tight. And this hair is really pretty. As you guys seen before, see how I did the closure? I did do a little plucking. The lace is right here to here. That's how much lace you will get. I didn't want to put down my lace on the side. It's like this much lace around the ear tabs, so I just left them alone. And because it is a middle part.
Welcome back to be constantly interrupted by your husband and kids.
I just left it how it was, and I did use ErickaJ holding spray. I love this stuff. I have to get some more, and every time I try to get it, it's out of stock. But I also use this Sebastian shaper to, you know, make the curls stay just a little but not fall all the way. This wig does curl really well. I didn't want to put too much heat to it. I just wanted to put like little loose wavy body wave, beach wave curl, not too much. Just the hair itself is really nice. I love the texture of this hair. It's not too bad. As you guys seen before, I didn't have to even flatten it, but I did want to see if the hair can curl. And this is the back. Yeah, I really like this wig. This is my first time having a T-part wig. I think it's really cute. It's very convenient if you don't want to wear a full lace wig. You just have the T-part right here, a little bitty lace by your ears, which is fine with me. I really like it, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you soon in my next one. Bye.